Welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a new product for you, and it's Green Bolt Automatic Voltage Stabilizer. It is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. It's the complete solution of voltage fluctuation. As you can see, these are the features of this voltage stabilizer. Its working range is 90 volt to 280 volt. The model is also shown here. Its capacity is 500 PA, that is approximately 300 watt. So please note that you can keep a load on this voltage stabilizer, which is approximately just 300 watt. You cannot use appliances like freeze, air conditioner, etc. Inside the box, the packaging looks like this. The product seems very well packaged, and you also get an extra plastic stand holder for this particular voltage stabilizer. So let's unwrap this product and let us show you how it looks like in real. This product seems quite heavy. You get a 3-pin plug in this voltage stabilizer. You can also see all the specs written behind this voltage stabilizer. So this is it. If you want to know more about this product, you can ask us via the comment section below of this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and please humbly subscribe to our channel and like this video.